Hello and welcome to our latest video on how to choose the best drone for you. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why we're here to help you navigate the drone market and find the perfect drone for you. Let's discuss what to consider. One of the most important factors to consider when buying a drone is its camera capabilities. If you're looking to use the drone for photography or videography, you'll want to look for one with a high-quality camera, such as 4K or higher, and a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI Air 2S, and Auto Evo 2 are all great options in this category. To see the details of our recommended brands, click the link in the description below. Another important factor to consider is the flight time and range of the drone. If you're planning on using the drone for longer periods of time, you'll want to look for one with a long flight time and a good range. Also, it's important to check the regulations in your area regarding flight time and range, as they may vary. The DJI Mini 2 and Auto Evo Nano Plus are great options for this. For beginners, it's important to look for a drone that's easy to fly and has beginner modes, obstacle avoidance sensors, and GPS functions. These features will ensure a safe and enjoyable flying experience. The DJI Spark and Holystone HS170D are great options for this. Another important factor to consider is portability. If you're planning on taking the drone with you on the go, you'll want to look for one that's lightweight and easy to transport. So, there you have it, a quick guide on how to choose the best drone for you. Remember to consider the camera capabilities, flight time and range, ease of use, and portability when making your decision. And don't forget to check the regulations in your area. If you think of any other options we missed out on, let us know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.